Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see our products and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. We'll see all the products and tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is the package. This is an electric bulb you can use for your feet. It's really cool. This is another gadget.
我要睡觉了，开灯，亮一点，换颜色。
This is a small shelf you can use for organizing your sandals. It's really beautiful. And this is a box you can use for cutlery. This is a frying pan you can use for making omelette. This is a box you can use for your makeup stuff. This is an electric brush you can use for cleaning your gas stove. This is a small washing machine. This is another beautiful apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unbox all these products. This is a floor mat.